should somehow match the very extensive trade we have with our nearest neighbours in Europe.
This court case should never have been dragged through the courts in the first place at great taxpayers' expense, and the only person to blame for that is Theresa May. I still don't know why she contested the simple idea that MPs should be able to hold the government of the day to account, and I now hope that MPs will go a step further and give the British people the say that is rightfully theirs on any final deal on Brexit as it emerges in the years ahead.
Trade, like in the United States, Canada.
So clearly, because the Labour Party have already given the government a blank cheque and said that they will support Article 50 come what may, there's no threat to the government's plans to trigger Article 50. But the terms in which they do that could be subject to amendment by MPs, and I do hope that MPs will pluck up the courage, now they've been given the right to have a say about this whole process, to also give the people a say on the final Brexit deal as it emerges in years ahead. Yes, I think we need a referendum, which wouldn't be a second referendum, it would be the first referendum on what life outside the European Union actually looks like. Because, of course, British voters voted on the basis that they were going to get £350 million for their NHS every week, a VAT cut, that our borders would become impenetrable, that we would live in an economic paradise. And I think it's very important that the British people do have another say and have another look at this when, of course, it will become obvious that many of the commitments made by the Brexiteers before the referendum are simply not going to come about.
The relationship between a sort of noyau dur of member states.
Unless the government concedes a new deal for the British people, so that the British people have a say over the final arrangements between the UK and the EU, I will vote against Article 50, because I don't think it is right for the decision on the final shape of any Brexit deal to be decided only by politicians. I think the British public should be let into that decision as well.
So I think it's perfectly possible within the 2-year period to do